The Chief Election Commissioner convened an all-party meeting in preparation for the upcoming Lok Sabha elections in Goa, scheduled for May 7. The Election Commissioner addressed a range of topics, including election expenditure, the Model Code of Conduct, and law and order. However, the contentious issue of postal ballot took center stage at the discussion. As the Lok Sabha elections approach, the Chief Election Commissioner held a meeting with all political parties to ensure a smooth and fair electoral process. Guidelines were established, including a ₹75 lakh expenditure cap per constituency. However, the primary focus centered around the postal ballot system, which has undergone changes, including the introduction of postal voting centers to ensure fair elections. The postal ballot system became a subject of controversy during the 2022 State Assembly election.
Now Goa has a poll date of 7th May, so what is our expectation from our political leaders, because now we are in the Model Code of Conduct here. So we have raised our all concerns, that what do's they can do and what don'ts they cannot do. But permission and what is the way of the getting permission from the concerned authority. And even we raise them some issues also, that okay, in this manner they should act. They also raised their point that how can they go ahead, like they have a complaint, how can they come to know about the permission. So we are dealing with all those issues also. Even we have given them the latest compendium also. So in that compendium of Model Code of Conduct, which is latest compiled, every information we have shared with our political leaders. Yeah, we have shown them the full presentation on our postal ballot paper here, and our nodal officer postal ballot also. We have informed them about what are the new changes in this manner and how we are going to ahead. What are the new provisions regarding the postal ballot system, which we have to do this time with the facilitation center, this postal facilitation center at every RO level, how this will function and how they will. We will inform them in advance also through RO that where it will be there and on what date, which date, what facilities we will provide them.
So there will be new centers especially for the ballot?
Yes, especially at RO level.
So the center is still not confirmed?
No, it will be later on. So T-1 we have to finish all those tasks regarding the postal ballot.
Here's what the opposition had to say on the changes made in the postal ballot system.
So एक very important गजाल, जे 22 इलेक्शनां जर पयली जाल्ली जाल्यार आज रिजल्ट वेगळो आसपाचो. ते म्हणल्यार पोस्टल बॅलेट. तुमकां फाटल्या मिटिंगेक आमी सांगिल्लें पोस्टल बॅलेटान चेंजीस जाल्या म्हणून. सो देर विल बी पोस्टल व्हेरिफिकेशन सेंटर्स, काय पोस्टल वोटिंग सेंटर्स जे आयडेंटिफाय करतले म्हाका दिसता आरो ऑफिसांनी. जंय पोलिंग बूथ जसो आसता तसो थंय बूथ जातले, आनी जे पोस्टल बॅलेट करतात गव्हर्मेंट सर्वंट्स, एबसेंटी वोटर्स, हांकां थंय वचून वोट करचें पडटलें आनी थंय पॉलिटिकल पार्टीचे पोलिंग एजंट्स आसतले. सो वीच इज अ व्हेरी गुड स्टेप. हें जावपाक जाय आशिल्लें 2022 पयलीं, जाल्यार आज वेगळें चित्र आसपाचें, सरकारूय हांगा वेगळो आसपाचो. पूण आसूं म्हणा न्ही हिंदीन की देर आय दुरुस्त आय, की आतां तेंच्यांनी, कारण आमी जेन्ना बोवाळ केलो फाटल्या फुडल्या इलेक्शन नंतर, ते म्हाका दिसता वयर बी धाड ECN गायडलायन्स चेंज करता ते केला. पोस्टल वोटिंग सेंटर्स म्हणून केला, विच इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. आनी एक्च्युअल पोलिंगेच्या 3 दीस पयलीं तांकां वोटिंग करचें पडटलें, वेरेन तांच्यांनी वचून तांकां आयडेंटिफाय करतलें की खंयचें पोलिंग सेंटर तांकां आसा, थंय वचून तांच्यांनी पोस्टल बॅलेट घेवप, थंयच बॉक्सान मत मारप, थंयच घालप.
पोस्टल बॅलेटीन मातशें अमेंडमेंट केलें. तुमचो पयलीं कितें जातालें पोस्टल बॅलेट की पार्टींक तुमकां रिप्रेझेंटेशन, जसो आमी कावंटींग स्टेशनान पोलिंग एजंट नाल्यार इलेक्शन एजंट घालतात, तशें तुमकां आतां तुमचो पॉलिटिकल पार्टींचो एजंटूय घालूंक मेळटा. तशें ते प्रोविजन हाडला.
घरा घरा आतां तांकां पोलीस स्टेशन करतले स्पेशल.
हय, तांकां एक फॅसिलिटेशन सेंटर म्हणून तशें केल्लें आसा. 3 कॅटेगरीज आसा. एक ते डिसेबिलिटीज आसता, नाजाल्यार एक ड्युटीर आसता, नाजाल्यार एक ते इलेक्शन ड्युटी, नाल्यार आनी खंयच्या ऑफिसांनी आसता. तांकां ते फॅसिलिटेशन सेंटर म्हणून तशें केलां. आनी त्या सेंटरारी आमचो पार्टीचो मनीस एजंट नाल्यार कोण आसता पळय ताका वचपाक मेळटा, तशें प्रोविजन केलेलें आसा.
थंय वोटिंग जावन थंयच्या बॉक्सान घालप.
तशें तेंच्यांनी केलां. डिटेल गायडलायन्स तेंच्यांनी शेअर करूंक ना अजून, सर्क्युलर ते सगळें शेअर करतले.
Vincent Rosario, Manish Parab and Bhakti Pai Bargi for Goa 365.